So, welcome back to another video. Today, here she is. We're doing some more work on the project Lazarus. As you can see, I should say James has taken her down and keyed her all up. The Ada, there's still a few bits that I need to do, like taking off all the bits of stuff on the back, like number plates, keying up behind there, taking badges off, cleaning rust up. What else do we need to do? Oh yeah, just pretty much cleaning all this up as well. So keying off underneath here, and yeah, there's a couple of panels on the car that are ready for spraying. Yes, this wing is ready for primering. So I've got some white primer. Front bumper just needs to be sanded down there. It's had a little bit of a ding. Take the number plate off. Take the badge off. Take the lights out and then the bumper can come off. And what I'm going to do is cut these out here, both sides, mask all this off so that we can spray the bumper. Then all these plastic bits in there, they're going to get sprayed up black. Got to take that little bit of trim off. This panel's ready for priming. The bonnet's ready for priming. Roof's ready for priming. And I think that's pretty much it. Arches have been shaped, so they're nice. Didn't really get that. And I think there's just a little bit more work to do on this arch here. But I think James has got it bang on there. Obviously starts fading in halfway in the trim and starts going up. I know we've been looking at quite a lot of pictures online, and also inside the arches, if you can see that in there, just needs to be finished off with a bit more seam sealer, but got the first coat on anyway. 3 days later, and the footage of getting this stripped down, I didn't hit the record button, so proper newbie mistake by me. What a dick. Anyway, so the car's going to look totally different, and I'll show you it now. It's just about to get primered, so hopefully I'll catch James in the action, because in between doing a few jobs, James has been kindly spraying this, so I haven't been able to get footage of it being sprayed, but yeah, obviously he's helping me out and doing me a massive favour, so yeah, proper appreciate it. Let's show you now. Right, so the bonnet's been keyed, rubbed down, that's ready for priming. Just needs panel wiping before we do that. The front end's maxed up, we've just finished off doing that. Doors ready for primer. Rear quarters we're not going to prime up, not just yet anyway, we will be doing. The roof's already done, the sunroof's out, it's in the boot of the car. I'm going to do the spoiler. As you can see, the tailgate, that's been done as well. If it's gonna, there you go, focus. Again, this rear quarter, this will be getting primered, but not until we've done the doors. And then this door has got to be primered. Like I say, it's all masked off. The wings have already been done as well, and they're just hardening off. And then the back bumper's there, and here she is, the front bumper's here. So that's just there. And now what I've got to do is just rub down the side skirts or scotch them, and then they can be primed today too. Right, so I brought some homework back with me. So I've got the trims. There's another trim outside that's had some fiberglass on it. I've already done a trial run, so I've got this Scotch pad grey one. So just keying these trims up. I did wet it a little bit as well. So a couple of them have got a couple of dings on, so it might come out with the primers. We'll try and flat it out. So I'm just trying to get all this keyed up. I can't touch the one outside until tomorrow, so I've got to wait for the fiberglass to go off. And the other one that I did is at James's, because I took it up there yesterday to the yard. So right, got some white spirit as well. I left my panel wipe up at the farm. Sorted. So I'll let them dry off now, and then I can put the plastic primer on, which is this stuff here, 1K plastic primer, if you can read that. I'll spray that on there once all that's dried off. Yeah, you can probably notice the additional thing there, that's the number plate holder. So I've just scotched that off and wiped it down with white spirit, so it's pretty much there now. So what I'm going to do now is just spray it up with the plastic primer, and then once I've done that I can then get the primer and put that on too. Kind of set. You can see there's a few imperfections in it that stand out now, but that's not so bad. It's just down here. If you can see it, there's one there, and there's a couple little dinks on the end trim. But we'll try and flatten back with a primer. So I'll grab the U-pole, and to be honest, there's not much left in that, so I might as well just start with a fresh primer from Alfred's. Right, so the number plate brackets had about 3 lots of primer on it. I've also left it about 3 days to cure, and I've just sanded it back with some 1200 grit. So I just, like I say, flatted it back and cleaned it up. So now I'm going to be spraying it U-pole black. So yeah, it's going to be gloss. I'll get on with it now. So this has had 3 heavy coats on it. It's not as glossy as what I thought it was going to be, but it will do. A lot better than it looked previously with a matte black finish. And that's a little trim there as well that I've just done. That's come out a little bit better than the plate, but all in all, I think it's alright, to be fair. So yeah, you might notice that I spray a little bit closer than what the tin says, but it's what works for me. So yeah, so that's it. This is almost ready for primer. Obviously this is going to take probably 2 or 3 days to harden as well, to make sure it's rock solid, and then we'll flat it back. And then once it's flatted back, that's when we can put the paint on. Now you still don't know the colour yet, and I will reveal that probably the next video. But yeah, massive thank you to James again, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Got that purple Lamborghini lurking.